Welcome student. Today's mathematics classes for class 9. Exercise 1.4. Question number 1 student. That question related visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. Students, संख्या रेखा पर successive magnification करते हुए we visualize this number. How do this? Let's start, students. We know that three point 765 lies between 3 and 4. This is not complete 4 and this is complete 3. Above 3 3 से अधिक है और 4 से कम है. That's 3 and 4. It means 3.765 lies पड़ता है किसके बीच में पड़ेगा? Between 3 and 4. Students, it means to visualize 3.765, that number, there is a concept, a idea in our mind. That's just a idea created in our mind. That number is between 3 and 4. That is not complete 4 and that is excess 3 plus 0.765 and not complete 4. It means that number lies between 3 and 4. For this, let us consider, students, a line, a straight line. This is a straight line, students, and here is 3, starting 3, and this is 4, last in of this line, this is 4. Students, 3 and between 3 and 4, between 3 and 4, between 3 and 4, we have to visualize 3.765. Students, for this, you can see 10 small part, student, 10 small part. It means 3 and 5 on the number line, 3 and 5. They are equal 10 parts. Just equal part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 minute. Let's extend, students, some extension. That's extension of the line 4. It means that is 4. That is 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and students 3.9 plus 0.1 एक 1 point जोड़ेंगे that is 9 1 10 0 carry 1 that is complete 4 that is 0.1 complete 4 students you can see 3.78 next number जो आप देख रहे हो विजुअलाइजेशन में 3.7 this is 3.7 that's number lies between 3.7 here visualizing and next we have to again the number lies between the next numbers lies between 3.765 that lies between 3.7 and 3.5 it means lies between 3.7 and 3.8 in Hindi students next जो अगली संख्या होगी that's lies between 3.7 and between 3.8 now we draw next line students for this 10 part between 3.7 and 3.8 10 part students let us one part 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 next 10 and now student 3 point this number 3.71 3.72 3.73 3.74 3.75 3.76 3.77 3.78 3.79 and next students the number 3.76 that's 3.76 and 75 it means between that is lies between that next number lies between 3.76 and 3.77 students visualizing this let us students next consider construct a line students that number 3.76 first number 3.76 and last lies between 3.77 3.77 and the next number students 3.10 is 10 equal part 3.761 second one 3.762 3.763 3.764 next point 3.765 next point 3.766 3.767 3.768 3.769 and next students next point will be 3.7 equal parts that's next will be 3.77 it means next number 3.765. 3.764, 3.765. Students, these are the visualization of the number digit 3.76. Now, students, you can practice self-practice for visualizing next question at your home. Question number 2 from exercise 1.4. That's the question. Visualize 4.26 to the power bar on the number line up to 4 decimal place. Up to 4 decimal place. Students, 4 decimal place, it means students, you can write students 4.26 next to just 4 digit number. You can visualize, you can do self. If any problem arising, you can ask me. Now we will continue, students, next exercise 1.5. Let us join, students, in this exercise, new exercise 1.5, students. Classify following number are rational or irrational. Students, we have already studied in our previous classes the number which is written in the form of P upon Q. The number which is written in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0, that is known as students rational number, and the number under root n which is not a perfect square or square root, where n is integers, then that is irrational number. And if n is a perfect square, just 25, 144, it means 5 into 5, that is equal to 5, that you can write 5. 5 means 5 upon 1, which is the form of P upon Q. 5 is the value, this is P, this is 1, that is Q. It means that is rational number, that is rational number. And also 144, that is equal to 12 into 12, that is equal to 12. 12 means 12 upon 1, which is also in the form of P upon Q. This is also rational number. But under root 3, in the case of under root 3, under root 5, under root 3, under root 5, under root 2, you have already studied, students, that is irrational number, that's not perfect square, there is no square root. This is irrational number. Now, students, just we have start our first question. Question number 1. Classify the following number classify the following numbers are rational or irrational. Are rational, or numbers are rational or irrational. Students, here question number 1, exercise 1.5, students, question number 1, and we have to find out just 2 minus under root 5. Students, second one, under root 3 plus not under root 3, that is 3, in small bracket 3 plus under root 23, that bracket close. Next minus under root 23. Next students, third, 2 under root 7 upon 7 under root 7. 7 under root 7. Next one, 1 upon under root 2, fourth and fifth, 2 pi. Students, you can see already I have been already told under root 3, under root 2, under root 5. That's our integers, positive integers 2, 3, 4, 5. But 3, that is not perfect square, not square root of 5, 2. It means that is irrational number. And in this sequence under root 4, you can under 4 it means you can write under root 4. Students, under root 4 it means 4, it means 2 into 2. Perfect square, it is square root is 2. That is rational number. 2 means 2 upon 1. That's already discussed. And the 2 upon 1 it means P upon Q. In the form of P upon Q, it means this is rational number. It means, students, in Hindi, you can see first question, that is irrational number and that is irrational number. 2 is rational number and under 5 is irrational number. किसी भी रेशनल नंबर में कोई इरेशनल नंबर जोड़ा जाए या घटाया जाए, स्टूडेंट्स, the result will be irrational number. Simply just 2 minus under root 5, it means this is rational part and this is irrational part, and that's complete sense. Solution: 2 minus under root 5, this is an irrational number. This is an irrational number. Being difference between rational and irrational. Being difference between rational and irrational. Next, students, next second question. 3 plus under 23 minus second part of this question under in bracket 3 plus under 23 bracket close minus 23 under 23. It means, students, you can see after removing bracket 3 plus under root 23 minus under root 23, that irrational parts plus minus will be cancelled, and this is only 3 and this is only 3. This is a integer, that natural number, that we can see, student, P upon Q in the form of P upon Q. It means this is rational number. This is 3 plus under root 23 minus under root 23, that is rational number. Is rational number. Next, student. Now, classification. Third question, students, in the classification. Third question. See here, 2 plus under root 7 upon 7 under root 7. It means under root 7 cancelled by under root 7. That is 2 upon 7. It means 2 upon 7 p upon q. It means that is rational number. Now 1 upon under root 2. Students, I have already told students its numerator is rational number and denominator is irrational number. Numerator is rational and that is, it means that is irrational number. You can see, student, that is and for fifth part, students, classify following the numbers are rational or irrational. Fifth part, 2 pi is irrational number, being the product of the rational and irrational. That is, 2 is rational and pi is irrational. तो being product of, इसमें rational और irrational का product है, गुणनफल है. It means that 2 pi is irrational number. That completes question. We will meet in next class. Okay.